In this video, we'll introduce the command git status. The two repositories, our local repository and the remote origin repository on GitHub, should just be the same. But with Git, you don't have to guess or try to keep track of the current state of your project or files. You can simply check the status of your project at any time by using the git status command. If we type git status in our command line, Git will respond back with a few lines of information. The first line is stating the branch that we're on, which is the main branch. Now when we initialized Jane's Git repository, Git created a master branch automatically in our local repository. However, we created another branch and switched to it using git branch -m main. A branch in Git is a lightweight movable pointer to your project at any specific time. Our local and remote repositories are in sync with each other. Let's look at the second line in the response. It mentions that our branch is up to date with the origin main. Now this one is pretty easy to understand. It's saying that our local branch, again, which is main, is up to date with the origin main branch, the one being hosted on GitHub. And the third and the final line is saying that there is nothing to commit and that our working tree is clean. There are no changes yet in our working directory and nothing yet that has been staged that is still waiting to be committed. The git status command is a simple but a very important command because it shows us the status of our project at any particular point of time. Now, this is git command that we'll be using quite frequently moving forward.
Now that you know how to track changes using Git status, let's dive into more about Git and learn hands-on. You can now master this in-demand skill set with KnowledgeHut's program, trusted by over 75,000 plus students. With our outcome-based immersive learning approach, we are fundamentally disrupting the way new age technologies are learned. You'll get to learn, practice, assess, gain insights on your learning, and personalize your learning journey on our easy-to-navigate AI-powered skill-building platform, Prism. Stay tuned for more such videos and explore more about how you can equip yourself with immediately demonstratable in-demand skills that will help you get job ready. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.